The future of pharmacy here at Pitt is really exploring everything that you can do with a Doctor of Pharmacy degree.
Pitt Pharmacy is #1 in the Northeast.
It makes me feel very happy and proud to be a part of the School of Pharmacy.
Something that Pitt Pharmacy does very well is prepares our students not for what pharmacy practice is right now. We prepare our students for the future of pharmacy practice.
We have definitely been a part of changing the way we approach education.
Our School of Pharmacy program here at Pitt allows students to personalize their education.
It continues to expand and push boundaries.
We are just so fortunate to have this relationship with UPMC and really having that right across the street and embedded in our campus.
Our faculty work at UPMC.
We hire a lot of students out of the Pitt Pharmacy School. We know what that education's like. We know that they can meet the higher practice expectations that we have at UPMC.
The connection that we have with them couldn't be more important for our students' learning.
People know Pitt Pharmacy. There's a legacy there to carry, and I think it's impressive.
We're training them to develop the critical thinking skills where they can solve the pharmacy problems of the future.
This is where I know that I can be comfortable and I can really grow and expand here in what I want to learn and who I am as a person too.
The faculty, the staff, the students, we truly have an environment here that bar none is leading the way to further define our excellence.